Hi, I'm Marisol. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I have a fun unboxing. I have Rongrong's new release, and I can't wait to show it to you. I will be doing a life update video, but for now, I'm just going to focus on this new release. I'm really excited about the new sticker book, the Gentle Focus, and the new monthly planning kit, My Comeback Era. So we are just going to go through it. Remember, I'm an affiliate, and you can find all my discount codes and affiliate links on the bottom. For Ron, if you can please use a Marisol in all lower caps, it's going to save you money, and using my link will just helps me out. And I don't know you, but I always have issues opening the package, so I decided to do it off camera. I also have my coffee, so if you're thirsty, grab something to drink. It's a short one, but it's a cozy one. I'm going to start with the Gentle Focus. So I'm just going to set the monthly planning kit to the side. So the Gentle Focus sticker book is beautiful. I love the new design. I don't know if I've said that before. The name is on the side. The back has all the sticker sheets and details about Rongrong. You get 24 pages, a premium sticker in paper and clear. You even get washi tape stickers in this sticker book. I love that she always include a thank you card, and it talks about her company and where you can find her links, so it's always included in all your orders. So starting with the first page, we have all the functional stuff. You get full boxes, double boxes, square boxes, some washi. So you get some decorative stuff in between your functional things. But one thing that I really love about the new look that Ron has is that a lot of her boxes are very plain, so you can jazz it up as you like or keep it simple. It all depends what are you into. I sometimes like a minimal look, but also like a full look some days. So it all depends. She's added focus for the day boxes or circles, brain dump, focus on. And then she has some trackers, some hydration trackers, mood trackers, and it repeats. And then on the bottom, you have some one thing only. That could be for gratitude or a win of the day. You get your 10-minute tasks and one thing only. And then on the next page, I really like you get if you're overstimulated, low dopamine day, need a rest, hydrate, snack, and that repeats with some bullet points on the bottom. Then on the next one, you have kind of the same thing, but they change to shut down routine, a startup ritual before you scroll, after work brain, wind down. And those repeat with some more bullet points. Then, ooh, sorry for the shake. Then you get the 15-minute sprint tracker, and I really like this. Basically, what can you do in 15 minutes? And that's it. Just focus on one thing for 15 minutes. You have your must do full boxes, and then you have some quarter boxes on the bottom. And then you have the predominator, I think that's how you say it, timer, which basically for 5 rounds, I believe, you're going to do the 25-minute work, 15 minutes rest. Oh, it actually repeats 4 times. I was going to repeat it 5 times, but now you know it's just 4 times. I find that very useful when you're kind of unmotivated and need something to help out. You have your already cluster. She clustered boxes for you. So you don't, if you're having trouble clustering, she adds that for you. Then you have the washi tape strip page. I love that. I love that she adds a little bit of everything in her collections lately, and it's very useful and helpful because you all you need is one book and you have everything you need. Here you go. Now we are starting with the clear, more decorative elements of the book. You have a lot of quotes and a lot of decorative elements. I love that she used this really soft floral pattern. It's very delicate. It's very does go and coordinate with the gentle vibe of this book. And I love this corner piece. I was just pointing that out. Uh, so, a lot of decorative elements that you can use, a lot of quotes with the swatches in the back. You get the alphas with the numbers, and you get three different colors. You also get another washi, and I love this page, the more bigger elements. If you're into junk journaling or, uh, I don't know, accent stuff, I think that works out. And then the confetti uh, headers in the back. So, a beautiful sticker book. I'm going to be using this for something else, but let's move on to my comeback era monthly kit. And I always start off with a pen because I love the pen. Lately, I've been really liking the one she's been adding. It has a needle tip, very smooth writing, and I love that ball in the middle. Feels like a fidget. So if you're kind of anxious, you can actually use it for as a fidget to kind of help you calm or refocus. I love keeping these I don't know, tags from, I guess, the sticker from the different collections. So no different. I'm gonna put this one away. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe at the end of the year I'll do something cool, but for now, I'm just holding on to them. And here we go. This is the pet tape. Now the pet tape, this has changed. She has decided, and I don't know how long ago, but it's been a while that she has decided to add more decor, less loops in your rolls, which makes it so perfect, because you get more for your buck instead of, the repetitive elements. And so each roll comes with 5 millimeters of pet tape, and each loop is 1.6, so you get a lot for your money, and I love it. And so this is how long it is. It is like super long. While I'm rolling this up, I'll just tell you, if you kind of like how this works, the monthly subscription kit you can buy solo, or you can buy and or you can subscribe to it 3 to 6 months. Subscribing to it 3 to 6 months is the way to go, just because you shipping is included and you get a better price point. You're always guaranteed to receive it, and so it's just benefits for the subscription, but you can always buy a la carte. Just know that it's a little bit more pricey, and you do pay for shipping. Anyways, back to the kit. Here we're going through the pack, through the sticker pack, and I love this journaling package. You get so much. So you always get 5 functional sheets, 4 decorative sheets, 4 vellum, and 4 journal paper, plus the 2 washi paper. Here I went over the functional parts where you get boxes, you get headers, days of the weeks, number for the days, you even get alphas of all the different colors. And now you have here the premium clear matte sticker sheets. I love her matte sticker sheets. It's like, it's such a, I it's just really good quality, her clear stickers. Here we have the 2 washi tapes pages, and I'm just showing you the washi because she includes and makes sure that you have variety in these packages, but she's also very thoughtful that she includes these washi tape that are actually washi paper, which doesn't add bulk to your planner, and it's just a great accent. Here are the vellum. I love that vellum. That's like a late summer vellum. And this is another one. Like, if you're into junk journaling, she's already layering all the elements for you, while also giving you some plain sheets or decor that you can use. I love this one too. Okay, now that this is basically the kit, again, Oh no, I forgot the paper. How did I forget the paper? Here the paper. Again, very low profile. Love the design of the comeback era monthly planning kit. She also did a little bit of layering and junk journaling. And I think I'm gonna save this one for like a portrait type of junk journal. I think this was beautiful. All right, so now let's go on to the plan with me. And this is my planner. I just wanted to show you an update of my planner. My planner has gone through some stuff. Uriah and Isabella have done a number on it, but my kids always do. And so I kind of love that because it just shows that it's loved and used in this household. This is last week's spread. We went to see Toy Story 5. I need a back plan. I might do a video just so that people see how I back plan. I don't think I've changed anything, but I thought I'd show you. So we're going to use for this plan with me my comeback era monthly planning kit. I always start with changing the days of the week because I mean she already adds them and it adds a little bit of detail to the top of the page. And I kind of like that, adds a little bit of color. And I wanted to mention, I'm sorry, usually I would do these videos vertically, but because again, I need to give a life update. Right now I am in Puerto Rico. I'm going to be staying here for a little bit, and so my setup is going to be a little bit different. This will be until, of course, I actually move in to my own area, my own house, and then get my craft room set up. But we might have a few changes until then, and that'll be fine. Now, I just moved to the sidebar. She already adds these headers, which are super great, especially if you have a hammock and oak, but really if you have any type of planner because she adds all these different headers and then she leaves blank ones if you want to write your anything in. I always use the pre-printed one, and my go-tos are goals, personal, and to-dos. And I just like adding that touch of color on to the side. Now here with the pages and the decor, I do add decor, but it's very minimal. At least I think it's minimal until I start writing in it. And then, I kind of will add a little bit more if I want to, or just leave it as is. Right now, I'm really liking doing the corners, the middle, sometimes all of the bottom, like you saw my previous week. This week, I started off thinking that I would just do corners, but then it kind of evolved, and I really like how it looks. So I can't wait for you to see the ending results. But here, I'm just adding just pieces of scraps and then that like little scrap with the washi tape that says keep going. And I wanted to add a little bit of accents to it and add, the AirPods, the phone, the water bottle. But I didn't like the placement at first, so I just changed it up. So now I'm going to move to the other side and uh, I'm using on this side pet tape a lot more than I did on the other side. I think I only used one sticker or maybe two, but here I just focused on using the pet tape and I love all the little scrappy stuff you can add. So I'm just making a collage. I don't know if I said this earlier, but I really like this girl with like the army jacket. I'm a veteran if you don't know. And so I just thought it was like the cutest thing. I'm adding this little scrap that says stay focused, and I'm gonna add an eye watch, some headphones, and another flower. Well, actually a few flowers, and then I thought I'd be done on this part, and for the most part, I am. Adding this one box. I wanted to add more boxes, but I found them to be a little bit too big, at least for this planner. And there's a little visitor. It's been hard filming in this setup, and especially because they're not, in daycare and school yet, and so They're really around all the time, which is why it's been hard to even get this posted. But I thought I'd keep it in because this is reality. They're gonna start soon in August, and until we get everything set up, yeah, they're just gonna be around. So videos are probably slowly start coming in more as once they're in school and things start to normalize a little better. Here, I'm just going to add this little bit of washi on the bottom. And I'm sorry that part kind of cut off because I thought I had filmed it. I must have stopped it or it stopped. I'm not sure what happened, but I know my phone kind of had a heat um, alert and I had to go cool it down. So now with this washi, I just ripped it and put it on the top and it add a little bit of something to the top as well, and I like that. And that's pretty much it. I am gonna write on it. I'll probably do like a short video on writing in it, just because I'm not posting as much, and so whatever little bit I can post, I'm gonna try to use that. But this is pretty much my spread, and I love how it looks. It's cute, minimal, and exactly what I need. Again, I am an affiliate for Rongrong, so please use my link if you're going to buy, and if you are and use my code so you can save, which is Marisol. Today, remember my comeback era and a gentle focus release, and so you have options on what you like, but this complete collection is beautiful and I hope you like it. I hope you like this plan with me. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment what is your favorite part of this release. If you're going to pick something up, and let me know what I should focus on next, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.